Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
This is a nice applewood smoked ham. These are a couple cage-free eggs. This is Swiss cheese. See the holes in it? That's some sourdough bread. And this is Mike Foster, and it's time for another of my killer fried egg sandwiches. And this is a killer fried egg, ham, and cheese melt on sourdough. No mayo, just a little butter and salt and pepper. I'm really hungry and I'm looking forward to this one. Meet you at the stove, put this baby together. Okay, we got a warm pan and we've got this bread has just been buttered like this. And we're gonna slowly melt this cheese, then I'm gonna fry an egg. You put the cheese here, this is that Swiss, and you put it right here, make it fit. We've got this beautiful ham, we'll put that right here. Let's do a slow cook on that one, and we'll cover it. We'll let that go low and slow. Now let's get those 2 eggs fried. This is a little below medium, a little butter on there. Let's get those eggs down. One there, this one right here. Yeah, Mike breaks an egg once in a while. Okay, we'll let these go. Break these apart, a couple minutes, and then flip them. A little pepper. All right, let's turn this off. I'm going to give these guys a flip because they're going to cook a little in the melt. All right, those are done. Let's bring that melt back. Let's see how that melt's doing. We want it brown on the bottom. All right, it's getting there. A few more minutes on this. We have this on low. Let's cover it. All right, here's those eggs. Let's get them on. Put them right here. This one right here. Let's flip the lid. The old flipperoo. Soft press. Let's continue to melt it. Cover it again. All right, let's see how we're doing. I'm gonna flip this. There you go. Oh, that's a hearty sandwich. Another couple of minutes on this side, and this baby will be done. And I'll meet you at the counter for the old taste test. All right, there it is. This is a monster of a sandwich. Let's drop it down. A little press-a-roo. Let's do the old slice-a-roo. The reveal. Oh yeah. There it is. Let's get a close-up. You can see that ham, you can see that cheese. Ooh. It's gonna be a killer. Oh, on the fried egg, don't forget about that. Let's get a killer diller bite. Okay, let's see it. Oh, can't wait for the bite. This is a big one. The ham is really out in front. There's that cheese. That cheese is tangy. Another killer fried egg. Killer fried egg recipe. Great video. I hope you love it. If you don't, you're watching the wrong channel. But if you do, tell people about Live Life 365 and how much fun you have watching my videos. And keep subscribing to them and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
What kind of ham is that? All right, fold that in so. Well, I guess the cook has to even it out, so. All right, that's more than a little. I'm actually taking some of this back. That's cuckoo. Maybe I should have put more cheese. Let's try another bite. A little less ham. That's the chew spin. That's the chew dance now. Back to camera. Sweet apple.